everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about Cash App Group Payments Guide. First, Cash App doesn't have a dedicated group payment feature like some apps, but you can easily manage group payments by sending and requesting money from multiple people individually. Here is how it works. If you want to collect money for a short expense, say group dinner or a gift, start by sending a payment request for each person. Tap request on your home screen, enter the amount, then type the person's cash tag, phone number, or email. Add a note to explain what the payment is for, like dinner plate or gift contribution, then send the request. Each person will get a notification and can pay you directly through Cash App. You can keep track who has paid and who hasn't by checking your activity tab. If you need to pay someone back or split an amount evenly, just tap pay, enter the amount you owe, and send the money to their cash tag or linked contact info. For easier coordination, you can create group chat on your phone on messaging app to share payment details and reminders. A quick tip: when splitting bills, it's helpful to calculate each person's share ahead of time and send individual requests accordingly. This avoids confusion and keeps everything transparent. Also, remember to double check the cash tags or contact details before sending money to avoid mistakes. Cash App transactions are instant and usually can't be reversed. So, I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to get notified for our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, goodbye.